Good morning, 8th graders. Obviously, I'm not here today, so I just wanted to go over what you're going to be working on today and explain what needs to be done. So you're going to be working on your pull toy design notebook, and today it is researching, looking up ideas for what you're going to build for your pull toy. So before you start building, you're going to need to show me your plan. And to get a plan, you need to have ideas. So you're going to do this in your design notebook, and it is task number 2. When you go to task number 2, you're going to see there are 3 must-dos. So you got to look up 3 videos or pictures, which I'll show you in a moment. And for each one, you're going to insert either the picture or the video, what website you used and where you got it from. What mechanism did you notice was involved? And explain what idea from the pull toy picture or video you're getting the idea from or that you like about it. So there are 3 must-dos that you got to find ideas from, and then when you scroll down, you'll see there's a couple more that if you're aspiring to get that 7 or an 8, then you got to do 4 or 5 of them. So for each of them, you got to figure out what website you're going to use. Most likely, you can just either YouTube or Google search. So if you want to look at a video, go to YouTube, and I recommend typing in pull toy. And then to narrow it down, go to Vex. Those are the materials that we're using for this project. So search pull toy Vex. And you're going to see several videos that, again, you can get ideas from. And while you're looking at it, keep in mind you have to have the wheels connected to one of the mechanisms. And then the mechanism will be connected to a toy. So here are some options for videos. And then you could also do the same thing if you just want to look up pictures. Pull toy Vex. And again, you're going to see tons of options for what you could possibly build. So let's just say you're doing this one here. You can see then the wheels somehow connect to this chain drive, and that's the challenge of this. How are the wheels actually making this chain drive rotate? So if this was something you wanted to do, you'd copy it, go to your design notebook. The lights just went off on me, notice. You could put it over here, and then that would be the picture or website you used. What mechanism is involved with this one? I can see there is a chain drive. Remember, you are going to have 2 mechanisms in your pull toy. So if I go back and enlarge this, what other mechanism is involved? And so you can't see it, but in order for this to operate, there's actually a bevel gear underneath. So I'll type that in here, bevel gear. And then what idea will you use from this source or for your pull toy? So whether it's the toy of Pac-Man here, whether it's the chain drive, whether it's how you connect it to the wheels, try to get ideas for what you are going to build next week. And so you're getting ideas right now, looking them up, pictures, videos. So try to complete at least 3 of them. I encourage you to do 4 or 5. And then after that, all what you're working on then is task number 1. If you didn't finish that from Friday. So first is doing the research and videos, and then looking back at task number 1, vocab definitions, if you didn't do that. So enjoy your time, take care of business before you do that socializing, games, phones, and all that, and be respectful to your guest teacher. I'll see you on Thursday.